Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of P? Now read with me. Hooray!
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
P is for parrot, a bird with colors bright. P is for pumpkin, it's orange and bright. P is for pen, it helps me to write. Woo! Bye-bye, friends. See you next day. We'll learn new sounds. Hip, hip, hooray!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact After Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.